Fatigued and enduring poor posture in the workplace? We have the solution. With the height-adjustable desk DF300, you can put an end to all this. Give yourself a break from sitting and increase your productivity with renewed energy. The timer will remind you. With this infinitely height-adjustable desk, you can not only work standing up, but your sitting posture is clearly improved because you can choose and adjust to the right individual height that perfectly suits you. The electric motor and 2 columns combine to provide a fast and super quiet up and down adjustment mechanism. Shut down with a simple control via a touch display, including a timer and memory function. The integrated anti-collision system automatically alerts the desk as soon as it encounters any resistance. Stylish and ergonomic. Optimize your daily work routine. Do something for your health and prevent tension and pain in the spine and back area. Everyone is different, and we have the right version for every taste. The DF300 is available in 3 colours and designed for all common sizes. That is quality that speaks for itself. Additionally, the feet are adjustable, and thanks to the reverse pillar technology, the desk is extremely stable with a load capacity of up to 80 kilograms. Bring even more movement and comfort into your everyday life, because the DF300 can be combined with other innovative desk fit products. Get the DF300 and enjoy full energy and vitality. Desk Fit, powered by Sports Tech, Germany's innovative company for fitness technology.